Okay, so in the last video we installed WordPress and it put us at this dashboard here. What I'm going to do is use a second browser. I'm going to use Firefox here. The idea being that in one of these web browsers I'm going to be logged in, and in the other one I'm going to do the editing. Go away. All right. So um, that's the user's view of Firefox, in Firefox of WordPress, and the one I've got is um, the Chrome version. So in Chrome, I've got dashboard going. All right. First thing is that this is the site that the users see when they're not logged in. In this one, I am logged in, and I can see the site from here. But I kind of like this view here, that this is what the public will see. Right, I'm not terribly keen on this theme. WordPress bring out a new theme every year, and this is the 2017 theme, and I much preferred last year's theme. So if I go to themes, I can change that, and then you can see there's a 2017 theme, and I want to find the 2016 theme. I like this one. Let's activate that one without bothering to preview because I know I like it. Active, what have I got to do? Is that it? Is it done? Surely there's a click save. Let's reload. Okay, right. This one's a little bit better. The things that are wrong with this one is that there seems to be a lot of repetition in this theme. So, actually, I say that, I can't see it now. Maybe it was when I had this big. So this is the default. You can see module catalog. That was the title I put in, and just another WordPress site. That's their tagline. And I can change this kind of stuff, and I can also have a fixed front page. So typically you have a fixed front page, and let's see if we can have a go at doing that. So if I want to edit, let's look at the dashboard again. I want to customize my site, and the components, well, pretty much all of these things can be customized. I am looking for, so I'm going to close this. That's the theme that I was looking at. I want to customize my site. I've lost it, change my theme completely. Go back into customize my site identity. Okay, here's the tagline. That was the one I wanted to change. Module catalog from Napier University. So I'll change that, and save and publish. And when I reload, instead of saying just another WordPress site, it says from Napier University. I want to customize the first page as well, and I'm going to shamelessly steal content from the Napier module catalog, modules.napier.ac.uk. No, modules.napier.ac.uk. I've got a link to the site somewhere. sqlzoo.net/a. It was modules. Okay, and my module, I'm doing WebTech, so let's find the WebTech module. Oh, actually, let's pinch this content here. So this here, copy that. I want that. Edinburgh Napier University, my first page. So this stuff here. Hello, welcome to work. This is your first post. Edit, delete it. I want the front page. So header image, background image, static front page. I want a static front page. Okay, and what can I edit? That's the heading. That's a post. So to create a static front page, that was site identity. Yep, I don't think I changed anything. Customize your site. Static front page. I want a static front page. Front page select. Okay, let's edit the sample page. Why not? So here's a sample page, and that's one I've selected, and will try and edit this one. So that's my static front page. Save and publish, and reload here. So that's my sample front page, and I'm just going to take most of that out. If you want to edit a page, there's a page editor. Keep going back, add an about page. There is something here that will let me edit a page. Okay, this thing here says pages. If I make this a bit bigger, okay, now we can see it. So if I go on pages, all pages, and sample page, that's the one I've made as front page, and I should be able to edit it. So I go into edit, and this is the content they gave me about this fictitious bike messenger. Let's get rid of all that. Just delete that. And let's also change this to, I don't want to put in module catalog again. I want to copy stuff from here. So module A to Z of all modules, that'll do. So A to Z of all modules, that's a good title. And there's not really much to put in there. Let's put in a link. So I'm going to make a bullet list, and I'm going to have a number of modules. One of them will be web technologies. That's SET08101. And let's make it alphabetical. So before that comes database systems, and we'll put in loads of these eventually. So this will be a list eventually of all the modules that we've got, hundreds of modules possibly, and if we need to, we'll find a way to organize that. That module was INF 08104, as I recall. Okay, we'll save that. Where's update? Update, and let's see what it looks like. Reload, A to Z of modules, and the idea is you'll click on that and take you to database systems, click on that and take you to web tech. Let's make up a couple of pages. So I've got that all pages. I'm going to add a new page, and the first one will be database systems. And now, this is the kind of stuff that you want to be training your user to do. You can show, if you've got a client, you set everything up for them, and perhaps you give them the structure, and you fill in the basic side, and this might be someone's product catalog or something like that, and you can, typical contract, you'll do the work to start things off, and then leave the client to make changes, update prices, update descriptions, that kind of stuff. They can do that themselves, opening and closing times, things like that. All right, let's pinch some content. So I was going for web tech, wasn't I? I've changed my mind. I'm going for database systems. Database systems, that's my module. Let's just pinch this. So I'm taking that content there. I think it's going to hang on to a lot of the format, especially if I am in visual mode here. So if I paste that in, that doesn't look too bad. It's changed the font over, so it's using wordpress2's font, but it's using my content, and it's kept hold of some of the borders. It's difficult to predict exactly how this stuff's going to be, but let's publish that. Okay, that's its link. I want the link to be simpler. I'm going to change that link so that it is just INF. That's guaranteed to be unique. That's the module number. So I'm going to change that, lowercase, and update that. And now when I go, let's have a new page while I'm here. Let's add a new page. Let's also add web technologies, and this is SET08101. And similarly, we'll just shamelessly steal content from Napier. I can't really be stealing it. I wrote all this stuff in the first place. All right, so just take all of that, copy that and paste it in here. Make sure I'm on visual mode. All right, that's looking good. Okay, publish that. Oh, and I will edit this link as well, take that out. There's an argument for keeping this kind of stuff in. So if you keep the word web technologies in, that is going to make it better for the spiders, the Google Spider and Bing and people like that. They're going to find it and they're going to index it more strongly for the term web technologies. So there is actually a good argument for leaving that in, but I want to take it out. I'm going to take that out, and SET08101. That's okay. Update that, and let's take a look at my users view. So reload. Okay, of course what I want to do is to be able to click on this. This will be a link to the page I just created, and this will be a link to the page I just created. Let's do that. All pages, and it is A to Z. This is the one I want to edit. Okay, and that there, I want that to be a link. So the whole text will be a link. And that was going to INF 08104. Okay, now you think carefully about what you highlight, what's clickable. You want it to be big, but you also want it to include the right words. This is all part of search engine optimization, thinking carefully about what words are linked, what's the phrase that's linked. This one was SET 08101. Okay, let's update that, and let's take a look at users view. Okay, so I can click on this link and it takes me to the database page, and I can click on this link and it takes me to the SET page. Good. Okay, all right, so that doesn't look too bad. We're going to have a go at doing some simple styling in the next video. But to recap, what we've got right now, we've got the ability to change our front page to a fixed front page, which is suitable for a lot of sites. If it was a blogging site, then you want the latest blog there. But for a lot of people who are not using it as a blogging site, then a fixed front page is the first thing, and just give people the ability to edit it.